When installing worktop lighting in an open cabinet, follow the marks and make holes using an awl. Fix the lighting strips to the cabinet. In open metal cabinets, they can be placed at the front or back of the cabinet. For the best lighting experience, you can add strips to the middle and top shelves as well. When doing this, remove the clip, the shelf and the middle bar. Add the light strip, then put the shelf back. For top lighting, use your awl according to the marks. Lift the plastic fittings and fix the lighting to the cabinet. The cable will fit perfectly into the groove. When adding lighting under closed cabinets, you'll get the best lighting experience if you place the lighting 10 cm in. Mark the holes with an awl and fix the lighting with the screws. Place the cables behind the cabinets and connect them to the drivers. The drivers are there to make a home smart experience possible. Now you've seen how to install an ENHET kitchen properly. You can use your knowledge to help you realise your dream kitchen.